Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Magic YouTube channel, and today we'll be checking out the April DAO project. As you can see, of course, the Healthiest token on the BinanceSmart chain. And when they invest in a token, they expect to profit. Dropping prices are the enemy. That's why April DAO comes packaged with a multi-phase approach to prevent those nasty drops. And of course, here you can check the community, the Telegram groups, Twitter and the Instagram, and you can read the white paper. Of course, here you can find the information about the project, the features about the project, how it works, tokenomics, audit, and frequently asked questions. And as you can see, you can also buy April the DAO. So let's check the features. Here we have the little lower, the highest paying auto stocking and auto compounding protocol in crypto, and the highest fixed API in crypto. They have also get rewards every 30 minutes for 24 times daily. Yeah, it's really nice. Automatic stocking and compounding in your wallet, elastic supply with no mining function, auto burn mechanism on every transaction. So you can check every feature and read about that. Here we have the information about the project, about April DAO. The DeFi industry has brought huge profits to investors. With April DAO, they can take it further. April DAO is here to bring you insane profits as seamlessly as possible. That's why April DAO gives you a gigantic API that gets automatically distributed piece by piece to your every 30 minutes and automatically compounded. But huge profits comes with huge risk. To cultivate profit loss risk, April DAO profits automatic mechanism that helps secure the safety of your investment. Yeah. And also here you can find the information how much can you earn. If you invest $1,000 in April DAO, you can earn up to 2,114,615.20 dollars through compounded interest at an API of, as we can see, a huge percentage. In traditional finance, such profits get revested for those with loss of capital. DeFi allows you to stake amounts as little as $5 and begin earning interest. So let's check how it works. Very safe treasury. A portion of all transactions fees get allocated towards the treasury. The funds within are for two purposes. The first is to act as an emergency fund to raise the price if it drops too fast. The second is to provide the April DAO team with funds to expand and develop the project further for your benefit. Automatic treasury growth, as we can see. They have also automatic stocking and compounding and anti-deflationary. And the tokenomics you can also check by the website. April DAO is a token with a changing supply. Interest rewards on your investment get automatically minted right before they get deposited in your wallet. The same algorithm also burn tokens to prevent inflation. And here you can check the information about the automatic liquidity provision, the treasury, risk-free value, and automatic deflation. And you can read about of course that steps, and here you can also check the frequently asked questions about may you wondering about, for example, what is the purpose of the treasury, and you can here check the treasury is a fairly safe for the community as a whole. The funds is the treasury accumulates through a small fee on every transaction in the April DAO ecosystem. The April DAO team can use the funds therein to fund new developments for the community to increase the value of the project, bringing you more profits. And maybe let's check how do you know I can trust April DAO. Although all investments come with risk, some are legitimate while other are scams. The April DAO team has zero ability to run off with the token taking the community profits. This inability is hard-coded into the smart contract of the April DAO. The smart contract address is available publicly for anyone to check and verify. And official audit certification of the smart contract is also available for anyone who doesn't understand code to check and verify. Yeah, and you can check also the community resources and the information about the project. Yeah, so now let's move on to the audit. Here you can find that you can find here the audit introduction, the firm, architecture, language, client, firm, website, telegram group, channel, Twitter, Instagram, and report date, as you can see. And the report date is 15th of March 15, 2022, as you can see. And about April DAO, here you can also find the information. Audit summary. April DAO's Solidity source code has a low risk severity. April DAO's smart contract has an active ownership, important owner privileges, manual and auto rebase, max sell limit, set fees. April DAO smart contract owner has multiple wide contract privileges. Centralization risk correlated to the active owner is high. April DAO smart contract utilizes rebase. With rebase, the circulating token supply adjusts automatically or manually according to set parameters. So yeah, and you can here also check the token contract address, blockchain, and you can verify the authenticity of the project of the internship GitHub. Yeah. And table of contents. Here you can also find the audit scope, of course, and more information, for example, about the audit methodology. As we can see, classification, analysis, and more. And of course, the audit verification, let's check that. Here you can find that the smart contract audits, of course, links, and a little lower we can find the information about the audit, the links, of course, and here, of course, by GitHub website, you can check the audit verification. And now let's check the Telegram groups. Here you have that the April DAO. Here you have the group on which you can find the information about the project and the newest, of course, announcement. And here you can find the Telegram group, and here you can find also the information about project, about the announcements, and more. Yeah. And you have to know also that that project comes from Canada and Australia, and the marketing start date is of course tomorrow. From tomorrow, the project start the marketing, and the launch date announced soon on Telegram group. So you have to check the Telegram group. Here you have that for the launching date, of course. And of course, the features is not only here, as we can see, the popcoin ads will be live 24/7 hours, added before launch by Interfee, 1% burn on every transaction. It's really nice. File launch on pink sale with KAC plus added. CMC and CG fast track, massive marketing and promotion for 27 hours, charity, earn passive income, community driven liquidity will be locked. Top YouTuber promotions, top cult channels, April DAO will be number 1 on many voting websites, shoutouts from top crypto related Twitter accounts, massive shilling before and after launch, centralized launch listing plan. And here you have a lot of reasons why you should choose that project and the tokens, of course. So I think this is all about that project. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. Leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!